Hi and welcome to this nice and relaxing arm massage that we're going to do today. We're going to do the entire arm, we're going to do the chest of it as well, and of course the hand. So for this I'm going to use oil. I'm going to use natural oil. In this case it's almond. This shoulder could be a little bit more, it could be a little more tense, so you should do it a little bit. Feel the muscles just getting into it slowly to get the better release of it. On the arm, remember to take the front of it and the back side of the arm as well. So you're going to do the biceps and the triceps. On the lower arm, if you put it a little bit more in a relaxed position, it's easier to get to the muscles. I promise you, you still get deep into the muscles. So again, if you're working in an office and your finger are working a lot, this is a perfect release. Put the arm in a relaxed position. Use your hand like this. Put it on the inside, so the fingers are on the inside right now, working on the muscles from the fingers. Nice and slow. The more relaxed the muscle is, the better it is. It's not so intense for the client, and you still get deep. If you're straightening the muscle, and I get work here, it's more intense for the client. Relaxed malicious position and start working on it. You can either do it this way as I showed you with the fingers, or you can do like we did on the leg. Remember to take the upper side and the downside of it. Right now I'm holding it like this. And when I do this, I actually hold my hand around the wrist, so I get a traction as well. I get a traction in the fascia. Beautiful. Client is breathing, so whenever I get to the soft spots where there's a lot more tension, if you're good at breathing deeply down to your stomach, it gets easier for the muscle to relax, and of course easier for the person to relax as well. Now I'm stretching the arm a little bit more. Now it's not so tense because we already had some muscle release, so that's why we can stretch it a little bit more now. So it's like building up with baby steps, one at a time. Working on the inside because that's where the tension are. I'm going to show you. Just going to flip around. So I'm working on the inside because that's where the most tension in this arm. Like that. Putting an arm to rest in my hand. When I do this side, I can flip it and do it like this. I feel them as well. The tension is right here, both on the upper side and the lower side of it. When I do the upper side, I actually want to have this hand working, because then the other hand can support her arm. So I'm not pushing it down to the bench, but I'm pushing it down to my hand, and I have the level of the arm. When I feel like the tension is loosened up a little bit, I'm just going to take both hands down to her wrist, and I'm going to twist it a little bit. I'm going to do that one more time. So my hands on from the elbow towards wrist, right here, twist it up and down and sideways. Then I'm going to continue, just going to put my leg back like that. I'm going to continue her hand, taking her thumb, taking her pointer finger, taking the middle finger, ring finger, and the little finger. Opening up. So that I'm going to use this part on both sides, both hands. And I'm going to flip it. I'm going to take the fingers again, twist it all the way. I feel like my hand is not relaxing enough. I'm just going to put my leg inside it, underneath it. I'm going to put my other hand underneath, and I'm going to do all over the hands. I'm going to use one finger. I can use several fingers. I can use the entire hand. Circles all around. Just fingertips. On the entire inside of the hand. I can take both hands, just like opening the book. Again, place a hand on my knee as a support. And to finish up, I'm gonna take my hand, form it like that, put it inside the hand, and let it open up inside the hand. This could be a little bit ticklish. To finish up, okay. Take the thumb, massage this all the way out, and take a tiny pressure on the inside and on the nail, like that. Take the pointer finger, do the same, tiny pressure on the nail and on top of it again. To the ring finger. Hold it for 3 seconds and release. Release. This massage, I promise you, the person is going to sleep afterwards. Another thing is, this massage, as you can see, is a good for scar release as well. So by taking your hand the opposite side like this, you're stretching out this part, and the scar will be released as well. Another thing is small circles. Sometimes people could find this a little bit uncomfortable, and if they find it uncomfortable working on the scars like that, you're just gonna put it in a release position so it's not stretching, and be working on it. Or you can sometimes just pick it up like that. And stretch it like that. Have fun with this one, guys.